In this video I'll show you general functionalities of ClickCutter. First of all, you have to remember that ClickCutter is using Windows clipboard. Whatever you copy to the clipboard, that's what ClickCutter is going to use. It doesn't really matter how you make a copy. You can do it either traditional way with just highlighting a word, right click and copy, or you can do it with the ClickCutter's auto copy function when you highlight a word and it's automatically copied to the clipboard. You can use ClickCutter two ways. The first one is with ClickCutter's pop-up dialog, and the second one with the ClickCutter's system tray icon. They both provide the same functions. Let's take a look at the pop-up dialog first. Whenever you copy something to the clipboard, you get the dialog popping up. It appears right beside your mouse cursor. You can move this dialog anywhere you like, but generally you don't need to do that. You can resize dialog, you can add some icons, and of course you can add some ads menu where it shows the link to my website. So there is a little arrow here which you can add or remove some items from the pop-up dialog. This pop-up has primarily two functions: open a link, which can open a URL or email address, and the search button. The search button has a menu where you can put all the websites you usually or normally search or quite often search, and the open link button has a little menu where you can copy links, open multi-line URLs, or open URLs via anonymous websites. The search button on this menu is for your favorite search website. In my case, this is google.com. So basically when you search, you don't have to go to the menu. You just press this search button and it goes to google.com and opens the search results. So we can do it right now. Press the search button and open the search result. You can put any website you like here on the first spot as your favorite one, so it's not a problem, and you can actually move all these websites on the menu to sort them by importance. We'll talk about those menus a little bit later in this or other videos. Now a little bit about the second function is open a link. What you do basically is just to highlight the URL you want to open and press open link button, and what it does, it opened Match.com. If you want to open both URLs you see here, you just simply select both, not necessarily to make it precisely, and you can press the open link button on the pop-up, or you can go and use a tray icon. Left click and it opened both websites. Here is an example how to use open link menu. Let's say you came across the URL like this. You simply just highlight it and pick the open wrapped URL. Just click it and that's it. The listing is gone now, so it's okay. Anyway, it opened the URL. I'll show you how to use copy link function. For example, you want to fix these URLs. So all you do is just to highlight those and pick the copy link item. Click on it and go and paste it. As you can see, all the URLs has been automatically fixed. Once the pop-up appears, it will stay visible for 15 seconds, which is a default setting, but you can set it for any time frame, for 3 seconds or for 60 seconds. It's all up to you. So basically, whenever you click any of the buttons or items on the menu, the pop-up disappears, or if you click outside of the pop-up, it will disappears as well. Also, it's important to know that the pop-up appears only on the first time when you copy the same word. For example, here there is a pop-up. If I kind of hide it by clicking outside, and if I copy the same word once again, the pop-up will not show up. Now let's take a look at the system tray icon. The tray icon has two functions, with a left click and a right click. With the left click, it performs the default action which you set. In my case, this is open link or open URL function, and with the right click you get the menu where you have the same items like search and the search menu, and open link with its menu, and also you have an option to open a search bar which I talk about a little bit later. So let's see how the tray icon works. For example, I want to open this URL, so I just highlight it and copy. Just ignore this pop-up for now. I'll show you how to disable it a little bit later. So basically what I do, I copy this URL to the clipboard, and I simply click on the icon, left click, and what it shows that this URL is opened in the browser automatically. So basically all it takes is just to highlight this URL and click a button, and it opens the website. For example, if I need to open this URL once again, since it's already sitting in a clipboard, right click on the icon and click in the open link, and it opens the same URL. Let's say you want to search a phrase, so you simply highlight it and copy it to clipboard. Ignore this dialog for now. I'll show you how to disable it later once again, as I said earlier. And go to the tray icon, right click, and click a search button to open it in the default site, or you can choose any of the websites on your menu. And of course, normally when you open the right click menu, you have some additional items here, like you can disable auto commands and open setting, get help, and of course visit my website. So we'll talk about it later. Now let's talk a little bit about the menus. Let's say we want to search this word, so we highlight it, copy it to clipboard, and I want to use any of these websites. So I simply click, let's say yahoo.com, and it opens the result in Yahoo search engine. If you want to search other websites, you don't have to copy this word again because it's already sitting in your clipboard. So you simply go to the tray icon, right click, go to the search button and open the search menu and pick any websites you like. You can select multiple websites with the control button on your keyboard and clicking on the website title. For example, Google and Bing and let's say blogs, and we'll pick let's say YouTube, and you see this little button which will allow you to open all the results in all the selected websites. So click on it and let's see. It's just taking a little time to open all of them. Here you go. If you are a heavy searcher and you prefer to search several search engines at once, you can do it with a click cutter. I'll show you how. Let's see, I want to search for this word in Google, Yahoo and Bing, and I always search in all these three engines. So instead of selecting these three engines all the time, all I do, there is a little buttons across each title which you can simply select, and all these three websites are selected permanently. So next time when you open the search menu, all these three websites will be selected already and ready to be searched. So let's see how it works. Okay, I want to search this word. Here's my search engine menu, and here's a little button which I press and it will open results with all three search engines. Just one click. Here we go. As you can see, it opened all the results with just a single click of a button. If you don't need to search all selected sites, you can simply disable. Once again, you can do it. I mean, you can disable all those permanently selected websites. You can do it either from the pop-up or from the search menu in tray icon. So simply just go and deselect all the websites. The search menu has a sub-menu. I'll show you. For example, once again I try to open the dialog just for this presentation. So as you can see, there is a sub-menu. That's where I put the websites which I don't search often, but it's nice to have if I need those. So I'll show you later in presentation how to divide the sites between the menu and sub-menu.